Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play arcade classics in your Google Chrome browser. So I talk about the Google extension. So if you add extension, you can also play games, not only the tools. And here we go, we got Arcade Classic here, arcadeclassic.github.io. This is the extension just for fun, and it's about 400,000 users. Wow. And just click this add to Chrome in order to play this Arcade Classic. Now you can click add extension and wait for the process. And here we go. Now the extension of the Arcade Classic is on. Now you can click, and here we go, you can just simply play. And this is the settings like dark mode, open on last post page, and so on. And this is how you can save the game, visual effect, and even you can reset by clear data. And this is the game selection: Tetris, Space Invader, Pac-Man, Snake, asteroid, and so on. And just tap play, and now this is the Tetris. So you can use your arrow key in order to play this Tetris. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.